Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome today in the additional of the weekend edition of Saturday Sunday. It's actually today Sunday, June the 2nd, 2024. We have here in this additional 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars. We have a 3 stars and a 4 star Sudoku, 2 jigsaw Sudokus, 1 with 4 stars, 1 with 1 star. In Dutch they call it cijferblok, in Japanese suguru. And the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. These puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve this afternoon. Not all, too much for me, time consuming. And later on in the evening, we have a samurai Sudoku. Yeah, a samurai Sudoku will take me more than an hour to solve. But first, let me solve these 4 puzzles. And the first puzzle is the 3 Stars Sudoku 8642. 8642. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 28 printed digits. Should be an easy one. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers. Then you will need more time to solve the puzzle. But for a 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes. And a 3 stars puzzle has 25 printed digits. This one has 28. Should be an easy one. Maybe a 0 stars. 0 stars puzzle, I need 14, maybe 13 minutes. Alright. So let's get started. 2 minutes already passed. Alright. Okay. Which number can I pick? How about? Fun. Okay. 5 in this row, last row, 5 in the row above, so that row. Only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have 5 in this column, no 5 there, 5. I should be there. Need a 5 here. And I need a 5 here. Cannot continue with the 5. Alright. Then 4 missing numbers, 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and the 6. You have 1 and a 6 in this column, so no 1 and 6 in these 3 boxes. 1 and 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. So what are the other 3 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. The 8 and the 9 is missing. 379. 379. That means the other 2 missing numbers in this column. Other numbers. The 1, 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 2 and 8. Alright. I need a 4 here. Okay. Yeah. Need a 6 here. Interesting, this one. Interesting. 999. 99. Okay. Need a 9 there. 1 here. Need a 4 here. Come on. This is taking too long. Oh yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We have a 1 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, so no 1 in these 3 boxes. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this big square. Should be down. 6. Okay. 3 in this column, 3 in that column, so the column 3 in the middle column. Only place level 3 should be down. Then. Come on. 9. Need a 5 here. 5, 9. Need a 4 here. And I need an 8 here. Okay. 8. Alright. How about still having troubles? Need a 1 here. 4. 6. Need 6 here or there. I'm thinking 8. 2. 3. Need a 3 here. Need a 3 here, yeah. I need a 3 there. 2. Come on. This is taking too long. I'm stuck here. Where's the opening? 379. 2. Need a 2 here. 2 there. 2. 4. 7. And 2, 4, 7. 2, 4, 7 and 8. Need an 8 here. 8. Yeah. 6. Let me put some numbers. This is taking too long. Alright. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. We have 5 in the third row, no 5 there. So the 5 could be here, could be there. 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 in these two boxes. So the 9 could be here, could be there. Need a 4. Need an 8. Alright. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column, so they'll come next. The only 2 places left. 2 could be here, could be there. 1 in this column, 1 in that column, so the column between the only 3 places left. 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 could be here, could be there. 6 in this column, 6 in that column, so the column between middle column, the only 3 places left. 6 should be here or there. We have 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 could be here, could be there. 3 in this row, 3 in that row, so the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left. 6 should be the 3 could be here, could be there. The 3, okay. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places left. 4, a could be here, could be there. 4 here, okay. 9 here. Yeah, 9 in one of these 3 boxes in this column. 9 in the column next to the last column. Only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this row. No 9 there. 9 should be there. And we have a pair. The 4 and a 9 in this row. The 4 and a 9 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for 4 and 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and a 9, 4 and 9. We have a 9 in the middle column. No 9 there. 9 should be here and the 4 goes there. And I've eliminated here the 1. So the 1 goes there, and I've eliminated here the 6, so the 6 goes there. So 1 digit left in this column for the mod. 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 8 in this row, 8 in the row below, so last row, the only 3 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have an 8 in the first column, no 8 there. 8 could be here, could be there. Can I finish this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. No. The 6, 7 is missing. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 in these 2 boxes. So the 7 should be there. So the 5 is missing, and the 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. Let me mark those. That means these 3 missing numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. 3 is missing. 4, 5, and the 6 is missing. Well, we have a 6 in this big square, so no 6 there. So the 6 goes together with the 3 as a pair. So 1 digit left in this row for the number 2 then. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 in these two boxes. So 1 box left for the 5. Should be there. The 6, the 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7, 8. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 8 goes there. Alright. 8 in this row. 8 in one of those two boxes in the middle rows and the row below. The only two places left, 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. And I've marked those two boxes earlier than 8. We have 8 in the second column, so no 8 there. 8 should be there. 1 box left now in this row for number 1. The 2 is missing. Yeah. 1 box left in this big square for number 1. Alright. And now 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Okay, 1. 1 in this row, 1 in one of those two boxes in the row above. So in that row, the only two places left, and 1 should be here or there. We have 1 in the first column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. Alright, now let me see. I marked those two boxes earlier with a 9. We have a 9 in this column, so this box can be 9 and 1. That box should be 9. So we have a 9 in the third row, 9 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the first column. So the column 3 in the second column, the only place left 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in that row. So the row between, the only place left 9 should be here. So the other two numbers should be there, 3 and a 7. 3 and 7, we have a 3 now in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 box left in this row for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 7 in the last row, 7 in that row. So the row between, only two places left, the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be there, and I've eliminated there the 2. So the 2 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 4 in this last row, 4 in the row above, so in that row, the only place left for A should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. 1, 2 is missing, 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3 cannot fill this yet. Alright. Then, let me see. 1 box, no. Here, 5 and 8 are left. 5 and 8. Yeah, let me mark this. Yeah, 5, 8, and 4 is missing here. Well, we have a 4 in this row, so no 4 there. 4 should be there. So 5 and 8 are left. We have a 5 there, so this box should be an 8. This box should be a 5 then. 5 and 8. We have a 5 in this column. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And 8 goes there. 2 and 8. We have 8 now in the first row. So no 8 there. 8 should be here. And 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in the first row for numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and a 3. We have a 3 in the last column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 1 goes there. 6 and a 1, we have a 1 in the last column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 6 goes there. 6 in this column, last column, 6 in that column, so the column 3. The only place left with 6 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers. 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and the 7, 4 and the 7. We have a 4 in the second row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 7 goes there. So we have a 7 in the first row, 7 in the second row. So in the third row, the only two places left, the 7 should be here or there. We have 7 in the third column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 1 box left now in this row for the mod. 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 2 and the 3, we have a 3 now in the first column, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 2 goes there. 1 box left in this column for number 1. And 3 and a 6. We have 3 in the first column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 6 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square are the numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. 2 and 6, 2 and 6. We have a 6 in the first column, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 2 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. Whoa. 1 star. Not faster than 14. Not the 3, not the 2. 1 star. Maybe I talk too much, otherwise it will be faster. But I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you for watching. See you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.